These are some of the protective gears that we use while cutting materials pieces or metal pieces with the hacksaw. We have this, is called a safety glass. It is for protecting the eyes. We have the hand gloves. These ones help to protect your hands from getting injury while cutting, and this is how we put on them. I have them here. Hacksaw has got two types of frames. The first frame is called a fixed frame, and the other one is called the adjustable, meaning that there are different types of hacksaw blades that we use in our workshop. So this blade, this frame here can be adjusted depending on the size of the blade. And another tool we have is the hacksaw blade, which is here. And for this case here, it is 32-inch blade. I have another tool here called a wire brush. This one helps after cutting the metal pieces. We need to clean off the chips that sticks on the blade. We have a tri-square. This one is marking right angles and 45-degree angles. So this is the piece of metal piece that I'm going to work on, and it is 2 millimeters thickness. I'm going to climp the workpiece on a bench vise. We have, this is our bench vise, which is made of cast iron. The bench vise has got two jaws. We have the fixed jaw and the movable jaw.